Makes me really, really angry. What?
When can I go on a motorcycle ride with you?
I don't know. We'll have to go. You've gone once, right? Oh my. I think there's a bunch of kids up here. This could be interesting. They're headed out for a event.
Dog? Douglas? Oh, dude, that's sick.
He's like that. Hey, look, I'm not in the sun. Oh, it's cloudy too. What? A few clouds? I will take it, bro. Oh, I gotta go let this lady in this house over here. She's no listening. Let's go let her in. You need help?
You changed the code.
Yeah. I think it's...
Alright, hang on a sec.
Can't remember what it is, but I got it on my phone. There you go. There might be somebody in there then if it's unlocked.
Okay, well I'll go surprise them, I guess.
Or they forgot to lock it.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Boopity boop boop boop. Boopity boop boop boop. Forgot I'd have to back out. Let's go. Let's gravel. And there's a bump right there. Oh, get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. Oh, I got it. It's only 800 pounds, you know. Come on, back up. Come on. Come on, I don't know how you people do it on tiptoes. I was watching a TikTok of that today. Somebody on like a crotch rocket. Barely on their tippy toes trying to back up. I guess I should have thought of that ahead of time, huh? So what's going on up here? Something. I wonder why they had to tear that out. So let's look at the road. It's still buckled right there. You can, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see the big old dip right there. Not dip, bump. I'm gonna have to keep my eye out for those. Well, in the shade, it doesn't feel too bad right now. Is this our church van? I think it might be. Let's not end up being this guy.
That's the sound of the police.
Ankeny police with their new police car. So that van back there was our youth group who you saw a minute ago in the parking lot. They are doing a thing for the week called S.O.S, which is Students Offering Service. So they just go around and do volunteer work for different places in the community, some of our older members of our church, and they always pick the hottest time of the year, and then they camp outside at night, and they take baths in people's swimming pools. I'm gonna have to keep my eye out for that blacked out Ford Explorer Ankeny Police Department. Can you see Jared back there? Can you see him with the rear camera? What's he doing back there? Oh, I hit the curb with my pedal. That's okay. It folds. That's called a braking turn. Actually, I don't know what it's called. What is that called? So I was holding my throttle to keep some engine pressure and momentum and acceleration, but I was holding my brake a little bit to get the bike to tip so I could take a sharper turn. Somebody told me about that once, and I was like, oh yeah, I don't know where I saw it, video, YouTube. And so I tried it, and it works. Gives you a nice consistent turn too, especially with this motorcycle. One, because of its just snappiness and torque, and then it's got a drive shaft instead of a belt or a chain, so it's got some instant torque, which is amazing. You also have to be aware of that as in a turn. You got to be super smooth on that throttle, or you're gonna have a jerky turn. Come on, baby, get that garage door open. I got it. Woo! We're not going to leave the key in it because people steal things. Did you know that? Sure do. They steal things. Hello? Braxton, you got your hair cut. You little cutie.
Me?
Yeah.
Do you like my haircut?
Yeah.
Do you like mine?
Yeah.
Even though I didn't get one?
Yeah.
Do you like my haircut?
Yeah.
I didn't even get it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you like that haircut?
What?
Do you like that haircut?
Do you like my haircut?
Yeah!
Thanks. Hi, nice shorts.
That was so hot.